I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And I'm trying to post a video at least once a week, hopefully on Fridays, every Friday. And this week's video is about building some 5-panel benches. Not just one, but actually quite a few, at least 16 in the first batch. And the reason for that is they're all being built for a local nonprofit, the Women's Health Resource Library. And all of these are going to go out unfinished to a number of professional artists in our area. And each professional artist is going to do their work of art, their masterpiece, mural, seascape, whatever it might be, on that bench. Then the benches will come back to the Women's Health Resource Library, and during their annual auction they hold every year in our yearly local celebration called Millbridge Days, people will be able to come in, look at the works of art, and they can bid via silent auction. There'll be a slip of paper. They can go around, put down their name and their bid. And this is very successful. Last year it was Adirondack chairs. This year will be the 5-panel benches. This video is going to show you how I build these 5-panel benches. And I completed one just for the video. I still have a number I have to make, and I have to have them done very soon because the artists need them mid-May, so I've only got a couple of days left. And this is a very easy bench to build, and anybody can build it. The plans are free. This is not one of my designs. This was designed by Steve Ramsey of Woodworking for Mere Mortals. I think that's what it's called. And he has a great YouTube channel, and he has a really great personality. He's humorous, fun to watch, does a lot of easy projects for new woodworkers, and so you don't have to be advanced to do this. And I built it maybe a little different than he did, but I'm including the link to the free plans, to his page in the video description just below the video, so you can download them if you want. And you can also watch his video and see how he builds it. And it's a great project, and I think you'd have a lot of fun doing it. And a big shout out goes to Josh and Brandon, the manager and assistant manager at our local Home Depot in Ellsworth, Maine, because they supplied half of the materials, or a 50% discount for all the materials, to the Women's Health Resource Library for this project. And so they're always very supportive of situations like this in our community. So big thanks to them. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. And if you subscribe, you'll automatically be entered in my random giveaways that I have from time to time. And there's nothing to purchase, and so just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you'd like the video and share it, I'd really appreciate that too. Feel free to comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned.